Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Vinaya. So, last time we have learned about Home tab. Now we'll learn about Insert tab in PowerPoint. So, let's start the PowerPoint first. Yeah, right. Now we'll go to Insert tab. So, we have new slide here. You can see this also in Home tab also and in here also. Here, you can insert any table. Here you can write the number of table you want. इधर 75 से ऊपर नहीं जा सकता. Right. Okay. याद रखो. Then you can draw a table like this. Then you can just Excel sheet से you can bring the table. Everybody knows Excel. Yes. Then wait, what you have to let's then yeah, in images group we have device picture. So this is from a desktop. Then in stock images like stock जितने saved है उसमें से choose करने का like I have this much. Then in online pictures of course online में से कुछ भी निकाल सकते हो आप yellow cars, girls, um, let's search BMW. Okay. Then I also don't know screenshots. I'll learn afterwards and tell you next video. So your photo album is very nice and long and video for photo album in Vinaya channel. So you can just see it. Just type Vinaya Piyush Visaria, get the channel. Vinaya Piyush Visaria. Okay. Visaria. And everything is there about photo album in detail. So here illustration, you can add shapes, icons, 3D model, one device, let's do now. No picture, no problem. This is no digital model, don't stop. Now you can just rotate like this. Now we have rotated it. So if I want to bring again, so click on reset 3D model here. Sorry. In adjust group. So just reset. And if you want to reset the size, so this is how you reset it. So next here, smart art. Smart art is used to show the text very interactive and interesting. So इसे कलरफुल आपको मिल सकते हैं. I like this. Then you can type anything in it. Yeah. Now here we have charts. So you can insert any chart here because I don't know how to insert, but you can insert any chart. I know how to insert, but I don't know how to use it. So I'll learn and tell you in next video. And here we have links. So Zoom links. Summary. Now I don't want any Zoom meetings. I'll not do anything. Comments. Yeah, if you want to convert, if you want to conversation to anything, so you can use this. Then text. For example, all is deleted. I want to write text. I'm not getting text. I want to write some. If you want to write, just click on this box. Yeah, done. So next is header and footer. पता है तुम लोग को header किस और footer किस word से बना है? Head is on top of our body. So header मतलब top. And foot is our bottom. It is on bottom. So it is called as footer. That's why. And this footer is here. Page numbers and small headings if you want to add, you can just use footer. Mm, That's right. Page number like this. You can just do like this, okay? And in header, simple. You can just in header you can add no notes का heading or book का heading like this. Header. Hmm. Then we have new word art. So you know those all word art. Like uh, what? Two. No, I'm sorry for that. Okay. So if you want to do an heading, you can use word art. Like for example, I'm trying to something. Let's type a name. Mm, so this is my name, Dhruvi. Yeah. So if you want to put word art, this is normal. Okay. So so this is the word art of this wala word art. Then wait a second. Let me start from starting. Before that, let me delete this first. Yeah. Now you'll see clearly. So this is one word art, style of word art. This is second style of word art. Um, so this is called style. These are the styles of word art. I'll not show you all, but yeah, these are the style of word art, and my favorite is this shadow one. Oh, this golden one. It's the best. See this. So yeah, then okay. Now we'll learn how equations. So if you cannot put an equation in in PowerPoint, so you can just go to symbols group. Then you can have every equations, ink equation. It is called as ink equation of math. Of see, so, huh. See, Yes. So this is how you do. Then you have to click on insert. So let's, just open text box, or write something, symbols. Yeah. Here we have many symbols. These are options. Then let's do video. Here you can insert a video. Videos. So now I don't want links. So I think if I have a device, then stock pictures, let's say. Yeah, see, insert. Then, acha, see, let's see. See, this is the video. Nice. Then let's remove this. Now this will continue. So this is a video. Let's do an audio. So okay, we can record an audio and you can do screen recording. Is here you can insert a video, but in screen recording, you can just, record a video by yourself. So this is our insert tab. So we have time, so we can learn this also. Draw. This is very interesting for me. So first, I want this slide. Was to be deleted. So now, if you want to, see. Nice. Let's do this one. Okay. I want to write something. So if you want, wait, see this option thickness. I'm just picking up that. So you can choose more colors from this custom colors and everything you can do. And here, okay, no option. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. So this is the nice, right? Then, okay, if you want to erase it, and see, so also we have eraser ka style. So let's do this. So, okay, right. This it is stock eraser. Baapre. Let's draw one something. Then here, pointy. Point. See, this is point eraser. Click, 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 ऐसे 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 erase होता है. And then in stock eraser, हम लोग अगर लाइन को क्लिक करेंगे तो ऐसे इरेज हो जाएगा. Then in segment eraser, let's try. Oh, nice, right? Ta-da, 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 like this. Then this is our marker. So we have styles in marker also. And don't get confused in this and this too. It's okay. Some example, yeah. Okay. Material. Segment eraser. Mm, so, the segment. Let's erase स्टॉक में ऐसे फुल इरेज हो जाएगा. Then, yeah. So here we have pencil thickness. So let's take black. So this crayon or pencil, something is it. Yeah. Then, ta-da. Da. Arey, not happening. Yeah. Da. Guys, understood. Now here we have highlighter to highlight the text, more sheets. And we have in home tab also we have a highlighter. I'm sorry, shook my stuff. So now how to remove this again? How to remove this? If I want to write a text, so how will I do it? So you can say I want to write a text, but highlighting is not stopping only. So you can see this mouse pointer, click on this, and then you can just let delete and select, delete, 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 delete. That's it. Of stadium on each one. Okay. I was telling about a highlighter, right? Huh. So that draw, you can just do by yourself. But, in, now, so I forgot to something. Now, let's, we have to select the text, of course, first. Right. See, directly it's highlighted. It's getting highlighted. So this is how you highlight direct and, oh, oh my God. What blocks? Aha, done. So now, here, let's do this. Okay. I don't know what it is, but I'll show, I'll learn and then show you, okay? So now this is a ruler. Nice, right? Hmm. Um, um, you can just draw a straight line with a ruler. Nice. I did. So this is not my this is the equation only. Input of equation into shape. This is the same thing. Hmm. Okay, so this was our insert and draw tab. Now, in next session, next video, we'll learn design tab, transition. And if you will get time, we'll learn animations also. Okay, these all are small. After design, everything is small now. You are thinking that this is big, but no, it is very easy. I will show you in next video. So, bye guys. Please like, share, and subscribe the video. Ta-da! Bye bye. And follow Vinaya channel. I'll try to get more fun and encourage you. So please like, share, and subscribe the video. Bye bye.